Lucy baby, mommy vlogger, base in Italy. So guys, inbox with me. Some of the things that I order in Shein just arrived, and we are still waiting for the one that we order in Amazon. So let me open this one now. So my children have already opened it. I went to pick baby Alex in the school. I'm not back. They told me that the pack just arrived, and they go on and open it. Oh my, especially Chinedu, because he ordered his film bottle, water bottle. That's why he opened my box. We're just waiting for me to be back. So guys, stay tuned. So let me show you what I ordered. I ordered this flower for my decoration. I just saw this for my. I just listening. I thought I ordered black. I thought it's black that I ordered. Angel. I just listening is black for my kitchen. Excuse me, guys. I have cold. What is this one? Cos'è questo? This one maybe Angel's one. And my cup. Hey, this my weight is small. No, it's very, very small. No, I have to buy another one. For weighing things. Mama. Wait, if your man this. Look at. No, it's very small. Guys, it's very small, so I have to buy another one. For weighing, when I will start bakery, you know. So, can you imagine? Send me to go and order this. It's very small. I'll go to the shop and buy another one. No, I'll go to MSZK. This one they use it to cover, you know, gas. So guys, I can't remember the name, but you have to cover your gas with this thing so that dirty or dust will not. Don't worry, later I will show you. This one for when I will be doing crema. Don't worry, guys. When I will start bakery. I work for one on YouTube and Facebook. Don't worry. If you want to cut change or faster, you know. Dump. We will do that very well. And over here, I have my new ring lights. You know, this one has two mounts. Yes, this one has two mounts. You know, so I will be using two phones on it. You know, one for YouTube, one for my Facebook page and Instagram. Mommy, And over here, what to the Maggie? This is to the Maggie for her first Holy Communion. Wow! Can you see? What do you say? I don't see you. Okay. Show them your gifts. Come. Okay, this one to write the names of my spices. I will just just the bottles. My spices. You know, I'm having no kitchen. Everything will be new in order. It was a good. And over here, this is Angel's purse for her pad, when she's out, when she's going out. And over here, I have my headphones for France. For my headphones. It's my summertime. Summer is coming, but guys, we still do summer shopping. And another one. Yeah? Who's that is this? I'm done. The only thing I have to buy another one is this pizza. That comes from Natural Grande. The pizza, pasta, flour, eggs, everything has to be weighed. I'm not a chef, serious chef, big chef, eh? I'm not a small chef, with the certificate. Thanks for watching. Continue watching. I don't know where I'm doing this. So guys, this is Saturday morning, I'm done with my job, my 3 hours job. Then I decided to wash some of our clothes with hand. Guys, not all the clothes that I normally wash with washing machine. Like my children new clothes, I normally wash it with hand. What's a go? So that is it. So it's almost baby Alex dress, his new dress, So that is it. So now I'm spreading it outside. Yes, you can see sun. We have a lot of sun today. Stop a lot of sun today. I want a lot of man. So I decided to wash with hand some, So that is it. And guys, I bought a new ring light. I shall show you all. The new ring lights have 2 mouths where you can join your 2 camera. Can you see that black line? I put my iPhone up for my Instagram and my Facebook page. Then I also put for my YouTube, my other phone down. And when I finish recording my video, when I'm editing, I see that the line is there and nothing I can do. So I have to post the video like that. Please manage the video. I will not make the mistake again. So that is it. So continue watching. Love you and God bless you. So guys, here I'm done spreading the one that I wash with hand. So I want to make a space and bring the other hanger, to spread the one that I wash with washing machine, because Saturday we normally wash like 4 times, 4 times. So you have to divide it white, color, black, But today I will wash only 3 times because I have already washed with hand. So this is the one that I wash with washing machine. So I have to spray it too. So that is it. Guys, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following me. Thanks for watching my video. Please, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lucy Baby, mommy vlogger based in Italy. We are not too, Please support me. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Press that red button so that if I post, you will get the notification. So that's it. Please join my membership or join me. No, I don't have membership. So just join me. Yeah, I don't know whether I'm doing well in this my YouTube thing, but I think I'm growing. I think I'm getting there. We are getting to 10,000 subscribers. It's a good thing. I'm so appreciate you all, and I thank God for you all that is following me, that is watching my video. Almighty God will bless you all. Please continue watching, continue following Lucy Baby, mommy vlogger based in Italy. So that is it. Thanks to you all, and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.